Hungarian Algorithm. Explained in 3 minutes to help you solve optimization problems easily.
What if you had multiple tasks and multiple workers, and you needed the absolute best way to assign them with the lowest cost? There's a powerful algorithm that solves this perfectly every single time. The Hungarian algorithm is a method used to solve assignment problems efficiently. In simple terms, it finds the best way to match tasks to resources while minimizing total cost or maximizing efficiency. In this video, we'll break it down step by step. What is Hungarian algorithm? The Hungarian algorithm is used in optimization problems, especially something called the assignment problem. You have a set of tasks. You have a set of workers or machines. Each assignment has a cost. The goal is simple: assign each worker to one task in a way that minimizes the total cost. Instead of checking every possible combination, which would take forever, the Hungarian algorithm finds the optimal solution efficiently. Real-life examples. This algorithm is used in many real-world scenarios: assigning employees to jobs, matching delivery drivers to routes, allocating machines to tasks in factories, even in AI and computer vision for object tracking. Anywhere you need the best one-to-one matching, this algorithm can be applied. How Hungarian algorithm works? Here's the idea in a simplified way. Start with a cost matrix, a table showing costs of assignments. 2. Row reduction. Subtract the smallest number in each row. 3. Column reduction. Subtract the smallest number in each column. 4. Cover zeros with minimum lines. 5. Adjust the matrix until you can assign tasks using only zeros. At the end, those zeros represent the optimal assignments with the lowest cost. Why it's powerful? The Hungarian algorithm is powerful because it guarantees an optimal solution. It's much faster than brute force methods, works efficiently even with large datasets. Mathematically, it runs in polynomial time, making it practical for real-world systems. Some key insight: the key idea behind the algorithm is transforming the problem instead of solving it directly. By systematically reducing and adjusting the cost matrix, it reveals the optimal assignments without ever testing every possibility. In summary, the Hungarian algorithm is an efficient method for solving assignment problems by minimizing total cost using matrix transformations. If you want a step-by-step visual example solving a real matrix using the Hungarian algorithm, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations.